Hi YouTube, so today we got something a bit special, and we have a Volvo here. The locks have failed on the Volvo, so in the best traditions of Michael Caine, ready, here goes, we're only gonna have to cut the bloody doors off. Okay guys, so this is the door that won't open on the S60. Look at that. The problem is that the deadlock is engaged, and some electrical fault in the lock has caused it to seize. So we are going to cut this door open. So what we've done, so this line here is well above the door lock. So I'm going to cut along here, down here, and then back here. This line here then has given plenty of clearance on the lock. My worry is that by cutting here, it's going to be very, very close to this shut line here. So I'm going to cut this first, have a little peek in, see what goes on. Obviously this is the new door, but it does give me visibility of everything. So hopefully this is round about the same sort of area. One of us has not done this before. Well, I don't think anybody has done this before. Certainly nobody here has done this before, so God knows what's going to go on. Still can't get to the hasp. Oh, that might have. Hang on. How about if we cut this wire? Yeah. And then just take a slice of that lock off. Yeah. And just carry on until we can see something.
Yeah, no, that's good. If we just sort of just levered it off.
Oh, okay, yeah, well, should we cut the wire? Because it's a pain in the arse otherwise, isn't it?
Yeah, cut the wire
So if we try and just lever the plastic off, I wonder what happens then. Hang on. You've got another bar there, Dill? Oh yeah, that's what we want. That's what we want. Go on, ready?
Yep.
Go on.
This is lovely and destructive.
Oh God, it's brutal, isn't it?
There we are. That's what I want.
So there's the back of the lock.
Yep.
Oh my God, you still can't see the hasp though. Let's see what we could do to cut that away. So. Okay, so what happens now if we cut a bit more here? Ha ha! Oh. Ha 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 ha! Ha ha!
It's off, we've done it. Magic.
That didn't fare well, did it?
No. Well, we knew it wasn't going to.
My God.
Open sesame.
Open sesame. So that, boys and girls,
Ladies and gentlemen.
is how to... Can you imagine doing that on the side of the street? That's how to get into a door that nobody wants you to get into. You could do that on the side of the street very quietly and discreetly, couldn't you?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Thieves everywhere would love this video.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
But this only works for the back door, not the front.
I think it would work for the front as well.
Don't give them any ideas.
Oh, okay, sorry. No, it won't work for the front door. Won't work for the front door. Absolutely shocking idea. Right, let's get all this paper off and we'll take the rest of the door off.